A leaked explosive audio which has gone viral, featuring two interlocutors known to the new Zim hoax, but who can't be named for professional reasons, at least for now, reviews local billionaire Kudakwesta Grace hidden business and political grand plan, strategy, tactics, and burning ambitions to succeed President Emmerson Mnangagwa in 2030 to become president. Sana bina masho kubuda pangwa ine tuko na leaked audios uyachi expose ata green ma plans ake yakuyachita president. Ero subscribe wala icon on the bell icon. Tibula mna mobile icon chinzi. Tagwiri's plan includes taking over more sectors of the economy, making bigger money and using it to influence the military and politics for him to eventually become president in 2030 after fighting off Vice President Kosano Chiwenga, his main stumbling block, out of the way. The succession battle against Chiwenga will come soon after the contentious constitutional amendment have been passed by Parliament and signed by the President into law. The audio says Chiwenga is locked in a fierce succession battle with Mnangagwa. He is fighting tooth and nail to take over from him, posing a threat to Tagwiri's ambitions. Mnangagwa does not want Chiwenga to succeed him. Tagwiri and former Zimbabwe Defense Forces commander retired Philip Valerio Spanda are also widely seen as contenders in the increasingly cutthroat race to State House. The audio confirms many things already known to be true to the public, including that Tagwiri views himself as the de facto prime minister of the country, co-running government with President Emmerson Mnangagwa. The tycoon is perched at the commanding heights of the economy, with the vast political, economic, business, and policy and decision-making powers and influence. This makes Tagwiri feel unstoppable in his political agenda. The audio says Tagwiri is already billionaire anyway, who controls key sectors of the economy and plans to hold further sway on mining, land, health, education, and energy through lined-up money spinning and a multi-million-dollar business deal. Tagwiri views himself as far more moneyed than that other local tycoons such as Mnangagwa and Princess of PANE. He only sees Billy Rottenberg, another Mnangagwa close ally, as his real competitor according to the audio. Through policy influence, Tagwiri is tightening his grip on the gold sector while barring foreigners from coming in, owns vast tracts of land, plans to build a health empire to control student accommodation, and have a stranglehold on fuel distribution. Doma developments are good pangwa according to the leaked audio. Pina comment section videos of any more clip. I'm subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.